Hello, welcome to my channel Study to Success. In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve algebraic equations. So solving algebraic equations, I have divided into three sections. So part 1, part 2, part 3. Part 1, already I have made a video. If you have not checked that, please check that video. And today's lesson is going to be on solving equations part 2. So let's get started. I've made three series because based on the level of difficulty. So this is part 2. Let us consider the equation 4x plus 2 equal to x minus 7. So in part 1, what I did was having variable only on one side and then, just taking the constants, moving the constants on to right hand side. Here in part 2, we can see that we have expressions on both the sides of equal to. So let's see how to solve this. So first and foremost, we have to follow certain steps. Now, step number 1 is take all the variables to left hand side to make it easy. Left hand side. Okay, or you can take it to right hand side also, but then all the variables have to be on one side of the equal to and constants on the other side. That's all. So according to me, I prefer having all the variables on left hand side. So left hand side, I would like to write in short as LHS. And step 2 will be take all the constants to the right hand side. Which in short, I can write it as RHS. And then some important tips. Easy tips I'm going to give you. That is plus addition when it is taken on the other side becomes subtraction. So I'll write bidirectional arrow means to say subtraction when it goes on the other side, it's going to be addition. The same thing over here, plus minus to plus, then multiplication to division, and division to multiplication. Okay, so we are going to make use of these in our solution. So we have 4x plus 2, that is left hand side, and x minus 7 right hand side. I'll write the equation again. So first what we have to do is bring all the variables to one side. So we have 4x here. We will retain 4x on the left hand side. We have x over here. This x, it's been added to minus 7. So addition becomes subtraction when it is taken across the equal to sign. So therefore, we can write this as minus x plus 2 equal to minus 7. So now what we have to do? We have to move plus 2 onto the other side. So plus, when it goes on the other side, becomes minus. So plus 2 will become minus 2 when it is taken across the equal to sign. So we have 4x minus x equal to minus 7 minus 2. 4x minus x is 3x equal to minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9. Now we have 3x. What we have to do in solving is to find the value of the variable. In this case, we have to find the value of x, or we have to solve for x, not just 3x. So we have to remove 3. So how do we remove 3? Again, we have to go back to this. Multiplication becomes division. This is 3 times x. So times, when it is taken on the other side, becomes division. So x will be equal to minus 9 over 3, or we can say x is equal to negative 3, because 9 divided by 3 is 3 and one negative sign, so therefore it has to be minus 3. And this is going to be the solution for this problem. Right. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. X minus 7 equal to 8x plus 56. So we are going to see what we have to do here. We have x. I will retain x here, but this is positive 8x. So when it comes on this side, will become negative 8x. X minus 8x. I will write minus 7 as it is, equal to 56. Now we have minus 7 here. That means x is subtracted by 7. So 7 is being subtracted from x. So when it goes on the other side, it should be added. So that means minus 7 will become plus 7 over here. So x minus 8x will be minus 7x. And 56 plus 7 will be 63. Now, if minus 7 is timesed, minus 7 is timesed with x. So times, when it goes on the other side, it will become times will become division. So let's do that. So times has to be division on the other side. So in this case, it's going to be x equal to 63 divided by minus 7. And 63 divided by minus 7 will give you minus 9. And this will be the answer to this question. Let's look at a few more examples. So question 3. Again, we have 15x on this side. I will retain as it is. And plus 6x. When it comes over here, it will be minus 6x. Plus 6 equal to negative 12. Now, because plus 6 is being added to 15x minus 6x, so it has to be subtracted when it goes on the other side of the equal to sign. So we have 15x minus 6x equal to negative 12, negative 6. So 15x minus 6x is 9x equal to 12. Minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18. So we have 9 times x equal to minus 18. Or we can say x equal to minus 18 over 9, because multiplication becomes division on the other side. So we have, or we can say 9 is divided on both the sides. It's the same thing. So minus 18 divided by 9 gives you minus 2. Right. Let us see few more examples. We'll follow the same procedure. We will keep minus 2x on left hand side. We'll bring minus 3x to this side, because 3x is being subtracted from 17. So this side it becomes addition. Or we are adding 3x on both the sides equal to, now we have 17 here. What we have to do is we have to remove 15 from left hand side. Rather, we have to move this 15 to right hand side. So because 15 is being added, so when it goes on the other side, it becomes subtraction. So minus 2x plus 3x is x equal to 17 take away 15 is 2. So this will be the answer. Now we can check also whether our answer is correct. So checking. So we have found the answer to be 2. X is 2. So let's take only the left hand side equation. So we have 15 minus 2x. So we have to substitute 2 in place of x. We have 15 minus 2 times 2, because x is 2. So 15 minus 4, which is going to be 11. Now we have to get same answer for right hand side as well. RHS equation is 17 minus 3x. So 17 minus 3 times 2. 17 minus 6, which is 11. So we can see that we have 11 on both the sides, and hence this answer is correct. Okay, let's do one more question. So here what we have to do is, again, move 3x to left hand side. So because 3x is positive, so it will become minus 3x over here. So we have moved 3x onto the left hand side, so there is nothing left. We have to write 0. So we have minus 1 that is being subtracted from 5x minus 3x. So it becomes addition when it goes on the other side. So it's 0 plus 1. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. This one is going to be 1. Now, because it is times, when it goes on the other side, it has to be division. And x will be equal to 1 over 2. Or we can say x is equal to 0.5. All right, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you understood solving algebraic equation. Please check out part 1. This is part 2 where I have variable and constants on both the sides. And I'll be posting another video, that is part 3, on solving algebraic expression, where we will have much more harder questions to solve. Hope you liked this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Study to Success, and press the bell icon. Whenever I upload any new videos, you will get notified. Thank you for watching.